Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to open up a Cadillac XT4 key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This process just takes a couple of minutes and it is really easy to do. The only thing you will need to get is one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get those or you'd just like to get one online, check out the link I put in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this exact battery for just a couple of bucks. Now, once you have your battery, we can get right into it. We want to find the button on the bottom right of the device. Hold that button down, and while holding, pull out the internal key. And once you have the key out, hang on to it because we're going to use this key to pry off the back section of plastic. So insert the key back into the keyhole just enough to get under the lip of this back piece of plastic. You don't want to go in too far or it won't work. So just get in right under the lip, and once it can get it to stick there, we just pry back. Pry back a little bit, lifting this back piece of plastic off just enough until it starts to get a little opening here. You'll hear it click open, and you'll see the opening, and now we can just pull it apart with our fingers. There we go. It's actually not that hard. I'm just trying to be careful with it. Now let me show you what I was doing so you'll have an easier time at home. If you insert the key too far, it goes under this plastic here and you will not be able to pry the back off. You want to insert the key just enough to catch on this inside lip here, but not so far that it gets stuck. So you're just inserting it and then you're prying it off. Now from here we can just pull the battery out with our finger, or if that's not working for you, I suggest using a flathead screwdriver or a pen or something like that and just get under the battery and gently lift it up. Once you have that cracked out of there, you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you're putting it in with the positive side facing down. Go ahead and click it back in there, positive side down, and just reattach the two halves of the device. So set the top on the bottom part and click the two halves back together. Put your key back in there, and you are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to give this video a like or let me know that it helped you out down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come back to this channel where we have tutorials for pretty much every device from every maker model out there, and we'll help you out. You can also get all of this information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.